So why humans still exist to this day? Why are we still alive and not killed by murderous robot uprising? Because I, Deep Roy, still do not possess the technology of building killer robots. Or any kind of robots actually. So when I saw there's a 3D printed robot arm on Amazon, I had to buy it. Because my journey gotta start from somewhere. And this video is sponsored by Amazon. Thank you, Amazon, for paying. This is a lame joke. Yes, I paid for that shit. Do I regret it? Absolutely. Why, you may ask? Because this. More from our sponsor later in the video. Fucking sick. Look at this. I assembled the parts. I attached the servos. I did the wiring. Now I have to do some code to move it. Did anybody say code? Alright, I have made the robot arm to work with this gaming controller. Wow! Boosh. No one has ever done this before. So, it can rotate left and right, up, down, forward, backward. It's not going back. I'm pressing the button, but it's not going back. See? Ooh, the robot arm worked. Kind of. So it picked up an object and put it somewhere. Shit. But still, it's good, right? Right? Wrong. This fucker sucks ass. The little grab thing it has is shit. It can grab any useful stuff like a knife or even a battery. And to top it all off, it's not even stiff enough to trace a damn fucking switch. What do you do with this thing, huh? What do you do with this thing? You draw dicks? Is that what you do?
The prophecy is true.
So you can draw dicks just very badly, but this video isn't about drawing dicks. It's about killer rum pum 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 pum. Introducing world first killer robot that force feed you lollipop until you die of diabetes. Yeah. Let's find someone to test it. It can be anywhere in this site. In this height range, yes. Oh, look at that. The bed. So thank you for watching the video. I know that it's kind of failed, but don't worry, I'll fix it in the outro. But if you're interested in the coding part, there will be a link in the description. Just follow that and it will take you to my second channel where I explain the code and all that, which is just image processing system to detect the lollipop in the frame and a face recognition algorithm which I tweak to detect only open mouth. And so basically, if the mouth is open for long enough time, my software will move the arm to position the lollipop closest to the mouth. So here's the outro and the final test.